G'day guys, how's it going? My name is Sean, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to share with you the top 5 computer stores in Sydney. I've been getting a lot of questions lately on the streams about where I get my computer parts from and where I get my repairs done and all that kind of stuff. So these are the top 5 computer stores in Sydney, in my opinion. So if you've got any other suggestions, then let me know. So in 5th position is MSY Computers in Sydney, in Melbourne, wherever you are in Australia. MSY Computers, we all know them as the place to go for the cheapest computer parts, but we also know that they don't have the best support as far as repairs or warranty or shop fronts or abiding by the terms and conditions or the consumer law warranties or any of that kind of stuff. MSY Computers is the stomping grounds for me and my first ever job. Shout out MSY Computers. There will always be a line, it will always be busy, their shops are always going to be messy, but you're always going to walk away with the most amount of cash in your pocket and the best bang for buck for the product. Number 4 would be, this is going to maybe ruffle some feathers, I don't know, would be Apple. Now, some people might say that Apple is not a computer store. I disagree. Again, I used to work at Apple. This is not me giving a paid review on these stores, but Apple is a computer shop. They sell computers, they do support, they do training. Yes, a lot of it is on their own Apple products, but they also offer accessories like a lot of computer shops. And they also offer a lot of advice and support to accessories and third-party products like a lot of other computer shops. They also do training and workshops, and even if you don't have an Apple product, you can walk in there and pretty much ask anyone on the shop floor anything, and they will be happy to help you, which you can't necessarily say for a lot of computer shops nowadays. So for the fact that they are a computer shop, they sell third-party products, they give great training, great customer service. I used to work there. You can get your phone fixed there, you can do a whole bunch of stuff. Check out Apple stores, and if you've never been into one, who knows, you might be pleasantly surprised. Number 3 would be M-Wave Computers in Sydney. So if you're lucky enough to live in New South Wales and live close to Sydney, you have M-Wave Computers you can buy from. M-Wave is kind of like the Officeworks and Bunnings of computers. They're a huge warehouse, huge distributor. You can kind of buy a lot of their stuff at like the lowest prices, plus shipping, or if you're in Sydney, you can buy online and pick up in store, but you have to drive wherever you are. They're not really in a residential area, but they're not in the number 1 or 2 position just because you can't really just drive in and drop off your computer and get them to repair it. I'm sure it's a service that they offer, but it's not what they're known for. So for range, for distribution, for postage, all those kind of things, from the little things like the enthusiast stuff all the way up to big commercial business stuff, maybe check out M-Wave. Number 2 would be PC Case Gear in Victoria, purely for the fact that they cater to this enthusiast market, really more than anyone else I can think of. I know a lot of people, before going ahead and building or thinking about what parts they want to add to the computer, they go into the PC Case Gear website and they get an idea of what parts are available, what's coming onto the market soon. PC Case Gear has great product descriptions, an awesome website, probably the best computer shop website in the country in my opinion, and you can always find what you need. And they've actually got pretty good prices as well, so if you're happy to pay the shipping to get it shipped to wherever you are from, then check out PC Case Gear. So in the number 1 position would be JW Computers in Sydney. I think they've got now 5 or 6 branches. And the reason why they're in the number 1 position is they're probably the best when it comes to their prices, their service, their retail stores, the visual, presentation that they have. They do custom builds, they do warranty stuff really well. They're just like this all-round solid computer shop that you can treat you like a human. They don't treat you like a number. You can do online order and pick up in store. They ship anywhere else you want in the country. They've got a nice website. They're just overall, I think they're probably the most polished bunch of computer stores that I can think of in Sydney. So that's why they're in the number 1 position. And you know what, they've been absolutely awesome to me, and that's not the reason why I put them in the number 1 position. It's actually because I've dealt with all these computer shops, and this one store is the one that's actually helped me out the most and treated me like a human the most. But like I said, they've also got great prices and everything else. So check out JW Computers in Sydney. So let me know if you live in Sydney or Victoria, Queensland, around the world. What is your favorite computer store? What computer stores have I missed that maybe I don't know about? Maybe you could let me know down in the comments. If you'd like this video, then like it. If you didn't like it, dislike it. If you want to make sure you don't miss out on any of my other videos, hit the subscribe button down below. And as always, you can reach out to me on Facebook or Instagram as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Cheers.